Welcome to Savoy Hotel Capital Town, an exceptional luxury hotel rising in the heart of San Fernando, Pampanga. As part of Megaworld's visionary township in North Luzon, this project blends world-class hospitality, cultural heritage, and a secure opportunity for hotel investment ownership. This landmark development sits within a thriving destination known as the Christmas capital of the Philippines, famous for grand festivals and unforgettable travel experiences that bring guests back year after year. Pampanga is experiencing a surge in tourism, and Savoy Hotel Capital Town is set to play a leading role in this incredible growth. Megaworld Hotels and Resorts, the operator of Savoy, brings decades of excellence. With nearly 800 developments, 24 lifestyle malls, over 80 office towers, and more than 6,000 hotel rooms from 12 homegrown hotel brands, investors can rely on a company trusted for quality, reliability, and successful hotel operations. Megaworld's hotel business continues to thrive. In the first half of 2024, hotel revenues reached 2.4 billion pesos, a strong 38% increase from the previous year. Hotel occupancy also reached an impressive 76%, highlighting consistent demand for room bookings and long-term investment potential. Savoy Hotel Capital Town is the first high-end luxury hotel in San Fernando. It will deliver an elevated stay experience and premium service, making it a prestigious address for tourists, business travelers, and families visiting Pampanga. As a condo regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, investors are provided with a layer of protection and transparency when it comes to rental income sharing and operations. The location is one of its strongest advantages. Situated directly across Plaza Pasadena and near Capitol Mall, the hotel will rise in a high-traffic zone where commercial and tourism activity continues to grow rapidly. Investors position themselves exactly where guests prefer to stay, dine, shop, and explore. Backed by major infrastructure developments, Clark International Airport, the new Manila International Airport, and the North-South Commuter Railway, accessibility from Metro Manila and international destinations will only become faster and more convenient over time. These projects significantly increase property values, visitor arrivals, and hotel profitability. Pampanga's tourism comeback has been remarkable. In 2023, overnight travelers surged to over 386,000, more than double the number from 2022 and an all-time high even compared to pre-pandemic figures. Leisure and business travel are both actively driving hotel demand, with more conventions, events, and large gatherings returning to the province. Spending from travelers is also rising aggressively. Tourism expenditures in entertainment and shopping jumped significantly from 2021 to 2023, signaling a strong appetite for experiences, amenities, and local culture, all elements that Savoy Hotel Capital Town is designed to capture. 3 main guest profiles are expected to fill rooms throughout the year: staycationers, individuals, couples, and families seeking relaxation and adventure close to home; OFW families, long-stay guests who require comfortable accommodations near relatives in Pampanga during their vacation; and business travelers, executives and professionals visiting for work, who want modern hotel amenities within the city center rather than staying farther out in Clark. Architecturally, Savoy Hotel Capital Town is inspired by neo-Baroque design, with grand contours, elegant facade lighting, and artistic details that honor the cultural heritage of Capital Town, including inspiration drawn from the legacy of Pasadena, one of San Fernando's historic economic pillars. The interiors blend luxury finishes with warm heritage character, resulting in a uniquely beautiful atmosphere that elevates every guest stay. The hotel consists of 16 floors with 374 guest rooms, each thoughtfully designed to ensure comfort, space efficiency, and a premium hospitality experience. There are a variety of unit types: twin suites, queen suites, junior suites, executive suites, and specially abled accessible suites. Some upper floors offer connecting units suited for families or long-stay travelers. Each room includes high-quality finishes and essential conveniences: individual climate control, Wi-Fi access, safety deposit box, minibar, wardrobe, and a well-designed toilet and bath with complete fittings. Owners also receive individual condominium certificates of title as proof of real property ownership. Guests will enjoy a complete lineup of amenities that support both leisure and productivity. There are adult and kiddie pools, a relaxing pool deck with a bar and outdoor dining options, a fitness center, a kids club, a wellness spa, activity lawns, and quiet reading corners. These spaces provide reasons for guests to book longer stays and return again and again. Business travelers will also appreciate specialized facilities including meeting rooms, a business center, and a spacious ballroom ideal for corporate events, celebrations, and conventions. These features allow Savoy to tap into the expanding MICE industry, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions, which continues to boost hotel revenue in the region. Investing in Savoy Hotel Capital Town means becoming part of a hotel business supported by professionals. Owners can relax knowing that hotel operations, reservations, maintenance, and marketing efforts are handled by Megaworld Hotels and Resorts. Investors simply receive a share of the pooled rental income, without ever managing a single booking themselves. On top of the income potential, the investment comes with exclusive privileges, including complimentary room nights every year in the property where the investor owns a unit, with the option to use nights in other hotels under the brand. Enjoy discounted food and beverage, spa access, gym use, early check-in and late check-out privileges, and the option to assign benefits to loved ones. This is an investment that gives financial returns and personal rewards at the same time. Rental returns are distributed based on the hotel's net room revenue and your share in the pool. Sample income projections provided by the developers show potential annual returns increasing over time along with higher average daily rates and continued strong occupancy. As with any investment, outcomes vary depending on market conditions, but entering early in a booming tourism hub positions you ahead of the growth curve. Savoy Hotel Capital Town represents more than ownership of a hotel unit. It is a chance to own a future in one of the most exciting real estate and tourism destinations in Luzon, backed by rising travel demand, improving infrastructure, strong local spending, and Megaworld's exceptional hotel operations. This is the first luxury hotel in a premier township that is just getting started. The best time to invest in a developing destination is before everyone else sees what it will become. Savoy Hotel Capital Town invites you to do exactly that. Secure a rare investment opportunity, enjoy premium lifestyle privileges, and be part of Pampanga's next tourism success story. Thank you for watching, and we hope to welcome you soon to Savoy Hotel Capital Town.